Maxxon Level EZ is designed to level interior gypsum and concrete substrates, providing a smooth, fire-rated, floor goods-ready surface. Over a properly prepared substrate, prime using Maxxon Fortify Primer, following instructions found on the technical datasheet. Mix Level EZ powder and water using a high-speed mixer with a Jiffy mixing paddle for approximately 2.5 minutes. Pour Level EZ, spreading the material with a gauge rake to the desired depth. Minimum depth required for Level EZ is 1/4 inch. Once the Level EZ has been applied, follow with a suitable smoother to de-aerate the material. Light foot traffic can resume after 4 hours. Follow dry times found on the Level EZ technical datasheet for floor goods installation. Gyp-Crete was only the beginning. Count on Renovation by Maxxon for maintenance solutions for the life of your building.